So this is a demo of the Toyota Land Cruiser Trayback, and in the right you can see that this is an interactive viewport, and on the left I've got a list of parts on the machine. So if I click on front, the camera takes me there, and same again, if I click on engine bay, it takes me there, opens up, and as I click on each component it takes me to it and it's glowing. So this is obviously a training mode. Now if I go OK, I can see that I got this correct. I'll move on to the next thing and say OK again, but now I can see that I got it incorrect. So in a training mode we get instant feedback to say whether or not we got something right or wrong. And as I move through each of these components, intentionally getting some wrong, of course. And the dipstick, just good look on that. Okay, nice. We can see that we got the engine bay section incorrect because we made some mistakes there. So we can move around the machine now just by clicking down on this arrow here, or clicking on any part of the machine, or clicking on this list on the left to move around the machine. And the level of detail, the fidelity of these models is the highest of any of the models that we produce, simply because of the fact that if we're performing an inspection on the machine, if we've got something wrong in the modeling, the 3D modeling aspect of things, then it could be picked up as an issue. So we make sure that anything that we model in 3D is correct.